Hello, so in this video, we're going to see how you can export your search results. So you have done your search, you have created the perfect query, and now you want to export your results in a different format. So either to print it or to work on it in different other projects. And you can do this in JIRA, of course, by simply going to the export section. You have a lot of options here. We have already seen a couple of them. For example, how to export a JIRA issue in Word. It's the same for test results. How do you export to XML? How you export for printing. The ones which we are going to have a look at right now are CSV and HTML. So for CSV and HTML, we have the possibility to export all the fields or just the current fields. Let's go with current fields. By the way, what does current field actually mean? It means the fields that you see in the list view. So these 4 fields here. So let's just go to export and export current fields. And here we can select the delimitator. We'll just leave it with comma since CSV is comma separated. Click now on export and then we open the file. And as you can see here, we now have a comma separated file with all the information that was in JIRA. In a similar way, we can export to HTML. We're going to select HTML all fields. Then let's see what JIRA will do for us. So what JIRA did is it created an HTML page with all the fields that you can currently see in JIRA. Pretty neat, right? There used to be an option to export the results directly into Excel. But there is still this possibility. I'm going to show you how, step by step. The first thing you need to do, we actually already did, and that is to export our results in the HTML format. The second thing is then to open Excel. The first step is then to open the HTML in our Excel. Let me just do that really fast. And basically now we just need to save this file here as an XLSX, and then we're good to go. Once that has been done, we can just format the JIRA as we want. We can add filters, we can make reports, charts, whatever we need to do. Hope you like this video, and in the next one we're going to focus on filters. See you then.